from the Қазақ Titan is throwing off the Iranian Hulk.
And he's able to come straight down the middle with them straight lefts. See,
absolutely, absolutely. And the body's always open for, you know, big shots. Big overhand right, but they're not Iranian Hulk. And these guys are fighting. Right hook. Oh, the right hook dropped him. Oh, he dropped him with the left hook. Right hook, sorry. And that's an interesting shot.
From the southpaw stance.
It's an interesting shot, the right hook from the southpaw stance to the back of your opponent.
He stopped it.
Hey, and he
it's
called
over.
It. The ref
That's all. It. It's over.
That's
all.
That's it. A TKO win. And we see the highlights from the fight. And you know, the Қазақ Titan seems like he's just on a different level boxing-wise.
Totally different level.
It's a different level of boxing. And the southpaw stance threw him off. And here we see the finish. It's a right hook to the ear while your opponent's turned away. Interesting finish, to say the least.
Now this fight doesn't deserve a rematch. It was quite obvious what happened here.
That was clear. That was a clear win.